Let's begin with the next topic, that is formation of partnership firm. As we have studied earlier that an agreement is required between partners to form partnership firm. This agreement can be oral or written, but dear students, it must be noted that it is always advisable to have written agreement, because written agreement is very helpful to solve the disputes, grievances and quarrel between the partners occur in future. When written agreement is made, after signing the agreement, partnership comes into an existence. Now registration. So again, registration is not compulsory for partnership firm, but it is very beneficial to do registration, because their registered firm gets some benefit rather than unregistered firm in the settlement of disputes, grievances from outsiders. We will see this in detail. Now, see partnership deed. So, what is partnership deed? The written document consists of rules, regulation, term and condition of partnership firm. It is the stamp paper which are duly signed by the partners who agree to form partnership firm. It also contains rights and duties of the partners. It contains following clause. Number 1, name of the firm. 2, names and addresses of the partners. 3rd, nature of business the firm will carry on. Then place of business, address of offices. 5th, capital contributed by each partner. 6th, profit sharing ratio of partners. 7th, the rights and duties of the partner for the agreement of the business. 8th, the mode of maintaining accounts. 9th, the rate of interest payable to partners on their capital. 10, the rate of interest to be paid by partners on amount withdrawn by them. 11th, the amount of salary payable to partners or any kind of remuneration like bonus, commission, etc. Alright. 12th, provision regarding retirement and dissolution of partnership firm. Then method of solving disputes occur in future. Then whether interest is payable on the loan provided by the partners, etc. Now next issue in formation of partnership is registration of partnership. As I mentioned earlier that registration of partnership is not compulsory, but it is advised to get firm registered, because registered firm get benefit of settling disputes from outsiders. Unregistered firm suffers many type of serious problems in future. So let's see what are the consequences of non-registration. So a partner of an unregistered firm cannot file a case against the partnership firm. A partner of an unregistered firm cannot file a case against any other partner of the unregistered firm. An unregistered firm cannot file a case against any third party or outsider for recovery of claim. The unregistered firm cannot file a case against any of the partners. So, in order to overcome from these serious problems, it is advised to get the firm registered. So next question is, what is the procedure of registration? So if partners wants to get their firm registered, so they can do so at the time of formation or any later dates whenever they desire to get it registered. So for registration purpose, they have to apply to the registrar in a prescribed form along with the registration fees. The application form must contain the following information. Number 1, name of the firm. Number 2, the main place of the business of the firm, that is address of the head office. The name of any other place where firm will be carrying on the business, like address of the branch office. Date of admission of the partners in the firm. Name and permanent addresses of all the partners and duration of the firm. The application form must be signed by all partners. Registrar first verify all the information, and if he satisfied, then he will issue the certification of registration. This certificate acts as a evidence of registration of partnership firm and very helpful in settling all disputes, grievances and any kind of false claim on the firm. Students carefully noted that if there would be any change in any information of partnership firm, it must be informed to the registrar to make necessary amendments in the certificate of registration.